Libraries are places of learning and discovery for everyone. It is a great place for your child to develop an independent reading habit. Welcome to Ruth's Straight Talk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. If you are looking for ways to help your child excel in school, this is a video for you. In this video, I will offer 8 suggestions to help your child become more proficient and safe in the library. Also, don't miss my bonus strategy at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it. Helping your child find out about libraries will set him on a road to being an independent learner. Here are some suggestions for how you can help. First of all, introduce your child to the library as early as possible. Even when your child is a toddler, take him along on weekly trips to the library. If you work during the day or have other obligations, remember many libraries are open in the evenings as well. Secondly, if your child can print his name, it is likely that your library will issue him a library card if you also sign for him. See that your child gets his own library card as soon as possible so that he can check out his own books. Number 3, when you take your child to the library, introduce yourself and your child to the librarian. Ask the librarian to show you around the library and tell you about the services that it offers. For example, in addition to all kinds of books, your library most likely has magazines of interest to both you and your child. It's likely to have newspapers and from many different places. Most libraries also have tapes and CDs of books, music, CDs and tapes, movies on video and on DVD, and many other resources. Your library also might have books in languages other than English or in programs to help adults improve their English reading skills. Ask your librarian to tell your child about special programs that he might participate in, such as maybe internet access, summer reading programs, book clubs, and also programs that provide homework help. Number 5, your child needs to learn how long she can keep the materials and what the fine would be if the materials were returned late. Also, let your child know that she must follow all the library rules for behavior. Libraries want children to use the material and services. However, they generally have rules such as not running in the library or keeping your voice down. Such rules must be followed by your child, and your child needs to know them and to obey them. Number 7, library materials must be handled carefully, and materials that are borrowed must be returned on time. Your child needs to learn how long she can keep materials and what the fine would be if she does not return them or return them late. Number 8, all library users need to be considerate of each other. Shouting, running, or being disruptive are not appropriate library behaviors. For our bonus strategy today, most libraries have computers and internet for your use. However, the internet can be a very dangerous place for a child that is unsupervised. In this strategy, we will give you special instructions and how to keep your child safe on the internet. First of all, teach your child's rules for using the internet safely. Let him know that he should never ever do the following. 1. Give out identifying information such as their name, home address, school name, or telephone numbers. Number 2, never arrange to meet someone face to face that they have met online. Number 3, never download pictures from an unfamiliar source. Number 4, never call someone whose number was provided over the internet, as caller ID will allow the child's number to be identified. Number 5, never respond to messages for inappropriate, sexually explicit, or harassing messages. Number 6, never upload post pictures of themselves to those they do not personally know. Number 7, never assume that whatever they read online is true. For example, a person claiming to be a pretty young girl may actually be a very old, devious male. Number 8, never tell anyone, including your best friends, your computer passwords. Number 9, never use bad language or send cruel, threatening, or untrue emails on the internet. Number 10, never give out any personal information, including your name, the name of family members, your home address, phone number, age, school name. Number 11, never arrange to meet a stranger that has talked with you online or in a chat room. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. Until next time, thank you for joining us at ruthstraighttalk.com. It's always a pleasure to share with you. So happy learning, and goodbye.